Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem of the packet loss on Battlefield 6. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you have to do is to open CMD. So go on the search and then type CMD or command prompt. Click on run as administrator, then click on yes. And then here you will have to type ipconfig. So I'll zoom in so you can see better. ipconfig and then slash flush DNS, only one slash flush DNS, and then hit enter so it will erase the cache of your internet connection. Now another thing you can do is go to the search bar here and then type network reset. Click on network reset here and then click on reset now. So all this will do is it will remove and reinstall all your network adapters, and it will just reset it. Basically, if there's any problem, then it should be fixed. Also, another thing you can do is go on Google and then type ping test, and then click on speed test by Ookla. This is the most known one. And then here you will have to run a speed test and see if your internet connection is stable enough to not have packet loss. If there is any problem, you can't really fix it by yourself. You will need to contact your service provider and solve the problem. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.